Hi class! Okay, I know I'm not here today, but the lesson has to go on. Today we're gonna learn about the asteroid collision theory. You should have your physics textbooks on the table. You should have your science notebook on the table. So if you don't have it on your table right now, go get it. I'll wait. Okay. Now I want you to write down the learning objective for today. The sit-in teacher will write it on the board for you. Today, basically, you're gonna learn about what are the consequences of the asteroid collision with Earth. And this includes like climate change and mass extinctions. You should be sitting in your group. The group should be according to color as I assigned you in the previous classes. So if you're not sure, please ask your sit-in teacher. So we have white team, raise your hand. Okay, then we have red team. Okay, yellow team, raise your hand. Okay, green team, raise your hand. And blue team. All right. So each team, they have their own tasks. You will have the question prompt given to you. Please return the question prompts to the sit-in teacher at the end of the class, all right? So don't write on the question prompts. You will also receive some empty A3 papers. They're on the table. And if your task requires you to take it, then please use that instead and write on that. So white team, the white team has keywords and they have to define the 14 keywords, write them on the empty pieces of A3 paper, write them nice and big and clear. The answers for the keywords are with the sit-in teacher, but you try to find the answers first. If you can't find them, then you get help from the sit-in teacher. Okay. The white team will present first. After they're done, you have roughly 15 to 20 minutes to get ready. So white team do things quickly. Then we also have the yellow team. Yellow team, you should have one empty piece of paper. You have to draw. What does it look like when the dinosaurs went extinct? I've given you the keywords that should be in your drawing. Like for example, can you imagine if you have a drawing here, like this empty piece of paper, so you draw like the land, and then you have like the dinosaurs on the land, and then say you have like sunlight shining, but then the sunlight, there's like dust clouds, so the sun can't go through the dust clouds. Or maybe you have like water in the background, and in the water you have like a large tsunami. So you can draw stuff like that depending on the keywords that I gave you. So it's one drawing and you have to label the drawings. Red team, you have one empty piece of paper, and on that paper you have to draw a mind map. The example of the mind map is already given to you in your question prompt, so use that mind map. The keywords that I give you, use that. You have to write one sentence for each keyword. I already did one example for you. You just have to do the rest. Now keep your sentence nice and short, nothing too long, and make sure the grammar is correct. Green team, you don't have to prepare anything, so you don't need any pieces of paper. The green team, you will be presenting the mind map from the red team and the drawing from the yellow team. So you go to the red team, go to the yellow team, and then you monitor them, work with them, make sure you know the asteroid collision theory. So within this 15 minutes that you have, read the material, read about asteroid collision theory, make sure you know how to explain it, because you have to present it to the class. You are presenting after the white team. So show them the mind map, show them the drawing, and explain how did the dinosaurs become extinct. Step-by-step tutorial, you know what I mean? Okay, then you have the blue team. The blue team, you got a checkpoint standard question. You have to answer the question. So you have one piece of paper, and on that paper, you only write the answers to your questions. Your sentence, you have to produce 3 sentences. The sentences should be short. They should contain the keywords that you can actually see from other teams. So do go around, look at what other groups have, and try to figure out 3 short sentences to answer that question. But highlight the keywords in that sentence, and I also want you to verbally explain. Make sure they understand why does that keyword relate to the answer of the question. Okay. The blue team, you are also judges for the white team and the green team. The white team, you also have to ask questions. So I hope all of you do well. You know, you're not too quiet during class and you actually do your work. You hear that? I may not be there, but you better learn even though I'm not there, because I will test you Monday when I come back to class. The worksheets that I gave you as homework, you better get it done by Monday or else. All right. So I look forward to hearing feedback from your presentations. I'll ask the sit-in teacher what you learned, what was the presentation, how did it go, and I will ask you again about this topic on Monday. If you have any questions, please email me or drop me a DM on Discord. If there's anything that you're not sure about, anything you want me to re-explain for you. I also highly encourage that you go to YouTube and look at a video about how did the dinosaurs go extinct. I'll also post a video on your Google Classroom on things that you should know. So yeah, have a good class. Bye.